मी सार्थक गणेश सागर. My school name is ZP Primary School, Mandlik Vasti. Standard 4th. My teacher name is साळुंके मॅडम. मी आज तुम्हाला रेनड्रॉप्स पोयम म्हणून दाखवत आहे. Listen, repeat, read aloud and sing. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Peter patter down the window pane. Tell me, little raindrops, is that the way you play? Peter patter all the rainy day. I sit here at the window, I nothing else to do. Oh, I wish that I could play this rainy day with you. The little raindrops cannot speak, but Peter patter pat means we can play on this side. Why can't you play on that? Why can't you play on that? Why can't you play on that? Thank you. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.